Yo, YouTube family, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyla, and this is Boom LC Trade. You already know. So, this is gonna be a nice, quick recap video about how the fuck I blew. I didn't blow my account, but it's just an update video about a trade that I took. So, let me stop talking and let me show y'all. Wait, actually, before I even get into the video, I'm gonna say this at the beginning. I'm not gonna wait to the end. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Forget the comment. Make sure you like and subscribe right now because it takes 2 seconds. Yes, I'm being aggressive. I don't care. All right, you should have done it already. Now, let's hop into the video. Perfect. All right, gang, so we're here. Cool. So, as you can see, let me just go over this real quick, right? I told you guys, weekly analysis video, GU sells, right? Did I not tell you guys that? Told you GU sells and gold buys, right? Look at this. To the T, to the perfection, this trade hit. Bow, like literally, look at this, like look at this, look at this. To the perfection. Hit the take profit, bow. Just like that. But guess what? I wasn't in it. I was not in this trade. I was sick as ever, bro. I was sick. So basically what happened is I don't trade on Sundays. And I kind of explained this on a short that I have on my YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. But I don't trade on Sundays, right? So this move happened. This candle right here. Wait, no, that wasn't Monday. That wasn't Monday. They're lying. Oh, okay. Yes. It was Monday. Monday at 3 in the morning. Now, meanwhile, I'm asleep. I trade New York session, right? So I woke up around 8 o'clock. Look at what happened at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, we already dropped. Let me tell you, we already dropped 40 pips. 40 pips. I missed 40 pips. Bro, I was so sick. Then I'm like, all right, maybe I can get it for the pullback. Bro, I ain't getting for this pullback. I ain't getting it. I just felt a little defeated. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I felt defeated. But I wasn't mad because it was Monday. So I'm like, all right, cool. It's more opportunities to be made. I missed this beautiful trade. Hit the take profit to perfection. But hopefully some of y'all got into it because I did call it on my weekly analysis. So if you're watching and if you're paying attention, let's remove this real quick. We have the miners box for me doesn't work the same as these blue boxes. Anything below it sells, right? Anything below it, I'm jacking sells. So what do? We close beneath the box. What did Nyla not do? Not get in. But we closed beneath the box. So hopefully there are some people that did catch this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It did give us an indication below this box, but it never gave us a correction candle. It honestly just brought all the way back up. It brought up, so brought up, so brought up. So right now, I mean, I'm doing weekly analysis, obviously. So I have to drop. So I'll give you my input on GU, but this is not the trade I got in. I got into this one. Now look at what happened. Look at what happened. Let me delete that. First of all, I missed the move. And unlike GU, I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna be a pussy. For me, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna get in. Scared money don't make no money, right? I was patient. Boom. What did Nyla do? The wrong thing. The wrong damn thing. So first of all, I didn't wait. I got him before indication was even made. I got in, right? I got him right here. So there was no type of no type of indication that was even made. I was over here jacking. I'm like, yo, I'll get into this trade time and time again. No, I wasn't even patient. Patience pays. I didn't even listen to what I be saying all the time. So, boom, it dropped down. I got in right here. Why did I get in right there? Don't know. Got in right here. Started to be in profit. Next thing you know, I look at my account the next day and gotta have a stop loss. That's all I'm gonna say. But honestly, I did break my trading rule again because when I placed this trade, I was not home. I wasn't home. I was on the go. But it obviously I wasn't paying attention properly, and this is why I have this like thing with myself where I only place trades when I'm home. Like when I'm home, when I can look at my laptop. Like what an idiot. But this was the only trade that I got into this week, and I'm gonna show you guys what the account looks like now. But Yeah, GU did sell off. Gold bought, and I'm mad about it because I'm like, yo, I wanted gold to buy. Actually, I wanted gold to do the correction and then do the continuation. Excuse me, but I saw it still selling. I could have gotten to sales, but I didn't, obviously. For whatever reason, Nyla did not. So my whole thing is it gave me the indication, right? And besides any of that, it was above the yellow box. Yellow boxes I treat differently, remember that. So it gave me the indication. It gave me the correction. It even gave me a continuation. It gave me everything that I needed to get in, literally. Even at this candle I could have gotten. When was this? This was Tuesday at 7 o'clock. So my whole thing is I have a strict like thing when I trade, right? I usually trade New York session. But however, what I'm starting to see is that because I tend to hold my trades, like I'm a swing trader, right? So I'll hold my days, my trades from a day up to like 2-3 days. I don't care. Like as long as I'm in profit, I'm good, baby. Like that's how I feel. But I don't know why. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This week was a very adventurous week. I was out pretty much every single day. It was my friend's birthday. Two of my friends like gave birth and stuff like that. It was a very exciting week, very fun week. And Nyla did no trading other than losing. That's what I did. I lost, but it's okay. It doesn't matter. Gonna get it back. So as I said, weekly analysis, GU sells, gold buys. What did gold do? Took off to the moon. The moon, the stars, everywhere. It just took off. And this could have been, look at this entry. Look at how beautiful this entry would have been, bro. Look at this. Even if I could have gotten that. Nah, I couldn't have gotten at that candle. I could have gotten it right here, right? Boom, that's my stop loss. My take profit would have been, this would have been my first take profit. This would have been my, no, it would not have. I'm bugging, I'm lying. Literally right here would have been my first one. And right here would have been my second one. And if I was still holding it, right here would have been my third one, which we almost got to. I think we were like maybe 2 pips shy of that. Let me see. Let's take it from this wick right here. Like literally like 3 pips. The pips are different on gold, so but I'm gonna say like 2-3 pips shy of that. So it would have hit my first, second, and third take profit, and I would have just held it. Unfortunately, I did not get into gold because it was 7 o'clock and I was probably somewhere in the hospital or at my friend's house. Who knows where I was. But I say all that to say I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. I just need to I think lock in more. I think I need to not be as scared. I feel like sometimes I'm a little nervous, I'm a little scared to get in if it's not the time frame that I want. But as I'm starting to learn, a lot of my pairs move when they are ready to move. I mean, I knew that already, but mainly a lot of my pairs move during London, New York session. I don't be up for London session, but now I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to start like trading from like, I'm gonna enter trade anywhere from like 7 a.m. all the way to like, I might even drag it to 5. I don't even care because sometimes that Asian session be hitting, boy. I'm not gonna lie. Like next thing you know, your pair is moving out of nowhere. It's like, Asian session, that's you, but whatever. Wait, actually, let me see when it moved. Let me get rid of this. Let me see exactly when this move happened. Wow, right after New York session. Yeah, 7 o'clock Asian session. Okay. I I can't blame it. It's gold. It's gold. Gold does what it wants. So yeah, Euro USD was the only trade I got into. Everything else that I said moved exactly how I wanted it to. I got the indication, right? Indication, correction right here. Correction candle right there. I could have done this, right? Could have done this. My take profit would have been literally, this would have been my take profit. Hold on, let me get my stop loss. My stop loss would have been a little better than that, I feel like. Or would it, yeah, I probably would have had to go on a lower time frame for it because having a stop loss above here is a little crazy. Probably would have been like maybe like right above this sort of pullback a little bit. So it would have been a 1 to 2. Would have sniped that. Boom. Wasn't paying attention. GJ, another one. What did I say for GJ? Did I say anything? Oh, waiting for an indication to either side. Okay. Well, thank God I didn't like trust that because indication, correction, continuation right here. And that thing tanked. Look at Tuesday. That joint. Wait, is it the right Tuesday? Oh, I'm bugging. No, this is not the same week. Why did I have GJ up here? I guess because I was waiting for either or. There's a whole different week actually, because I remember that move. And then AUD JPY, did we go over that? Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another one that got sniped. I literally said AJ sells to this level. What happened? AJ sells happened. It even did a pullback. It gave me an opportunity to even get in. But guess when that was? Monday, 2 in the morning. And it hit TP Tuesday. So it took a whole day to hit TP. But I wouldn't have given a if I was paying attention and I got in and I was paying attention. I just don't trade on Sundays. Like that'll still be a thing for me. I don't care. I don't trade on Sundays. Like for sure I don't. Sundays, early Monday mornings, I don't trade. So I'm gonna just stick to that rule because next thing you know, I'm here. I might win 1 trade and lose 5. I'm not doing that. But yeah, let's look at the account now. Brace yourselves. Mo. What is that? There we go. Live. Live 174. Do you guys remember when we were at like 368? Yeah, me too. We're not. We're not. So how do I get to that calendar thing I had last time? Let me see. I hate doing this part. I feel like I should prep myself before I do this part, bro. Like I always have y'all just sitting here finding things. Oh, I found it. Okay, cool. So yeah, cool. This is Monday. Monday, Monday, probably at like literally about to be Tuesday. I got into this. Let me see. Yeah, Monday 8, Monday at 9. Yeah. Oh no, sorry, Monday at 8 is when I think I got in. And why did I get in? I wasn't even home. Don't know why I did that. So yeah, for the month of May, we are losing. we are lost for words. I'm not mad at it because guess what? I could have blew the account. I didn't blow the account. So hopefully you guys did not get into Euro USD with me because we're lost. But anyway, let's hit the outro. Alrighty guys, so yeah, that is my tumultuous week. I had a very exciting week in my personal life, and my trading life went to shambles. Like I didn't lose big though. Like my risk, I think I did like a 0.2 lot size, 0.20. So yeah, I didn't lose that big. I'm not mad at it. I would not take that trade ever again because I'm not gonna lie, I was vouching like, oh, I'd take that trade time and time again. No, I would not. I was not looking. I was not paying attention to my laptop, which I should have been. And yeah, now we're at 174, and we're gonna get it back next week. And I don't care. We're gonna get it back. But I'm gonna stop talking. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you drop a comment because I love to hear what you guys have to say. You guys love to DM me. Like, don't DM me. Drop a comment on here. You feel me? Like, don't be scared. But also, smash that subscribe button. You already know why. Why? Because it takes 2 seconds to do that. And we're building a community. We're building a family, y'all. Come on, we traders. You already. So thank you guys for watching. As always, love you guys, and I'll see you on the weekly analysis video.